fleet, commerce, admiralty, whatever you want to call it, UCC code, whatever, then your person is a fiction. But the jurisdiction, what they need to do is to get you to act, for you to represent that fiction.
What does this actually mean?
A lot.
Okay,
basically, you get locked into slavery. But it starts as a bill. Well, a bill is a money-making order. It's a negotiable instrument. When you look at any statute law that's on the statute books, it's enacted by statutory instruments, another negotiable instrument. A statutory instrument defined is a created, written, legal contract. So it's not law, it's a contract. It's something they can apply as fictitious upon fictitious persons.
So they make us into
fictitious persons, and then they can apply these statutes on it, because the statutory law does not apply to human beings, because it's not law until it's consented to by the governed. Statute is law, but only becomes the force of law if it's consented to by the governed. So with 3,000...
By the governed?
By the governed, you. Yeah, you're the governed.
So they pass a law,
yeah.
Statute?
No, they make a contract. It's not law, it's a contract.
Okay.
They get this contract, and they'll go to the bankers, and they'll say to the bankers, the private sector, they'll say, we've got this statute, and we reckon it's worth $6 billion.
Well, for instance, it might be something like we're going to put up speed cameras everywhere. Ideal
example, okay? We've got this statute, we reckon it could generate a revenue of about $6 billion. That's fine, okay?
Per annum.
Per annum. Will you lend us that on the strength of that, but we'll give you everything in excess to cover the principal sum plus the interest. So what they do is they sell it. They sell it to the bankers for the money.
In advance of passing the law?
Not passing the law.
Statute?
It's not a law, it's a statute. The police are... The human being is a policeman or woman who is there to uphold the law, serve and protect, never deny or delay right or justice to any individual who lives in this country, no matter where they're from. Then you've got the police officer. Now, the police officer is a fiction. A police officer is a corporate employee who's enforcing statutes to make sure the bankers get their money back. In common law, which is based upon natural law, there is no offence for speeding cameras. There is no offence. I haven't committed a crime.
It's not likely to have been in the Magna Carta, is it?
No. Common law extends right up to this day. It works on three very basic principles: injury, harm or loss. There's that. It's crime. A crime is in within common law. If you do a common law, if you do something wrong against common law, then you should have your collar felt. Absolutely. But you're not going to go to a court of justice. You're going to go to a corporate court.
So this is what, sorry, injury, harm...
Injury, harm or loss.
Or loss.
So you should never injure someone, never harm someone or cause them loss.
Or their property, presumably.
No, but it covers every eventuality.